Welcome back to my YouTube channel, dolls. In today's video I'll be showing you my spring skincare routine, and it's just a very simple, leaves your skin looking very glowy. I just like to use simple products and just allow my skin to breathe more. So yeah, I wanted to share this with you. I really hope you enjoy it. The first step that I am doing is cleansing my face. For my cleanser, I'm using the Dermalogica Clearing wash, which I always use all the time. It is my go-to, and it is one of my favorite cleansers that have just worked for my skin. So I like to use that because it just clears out any blocked pores and just leaves my skin looking nice, refreshed and clean. Once I finish cleansing, I move on to toning, and for my toner I'm using the BHA exfoliant liquid from Paula's Choice. This is one of my favorites because it unclogs my pores, it keeps my pores nice and minimized and really tightens them, and just helps my skin to just glow. So I really love reaching for this and adding it to my skincare. So what I like to do is apply it to a cotton pad, then lightly just wipe over my face and also my neck and behind the ears, keeping everything nice and clean. Once I finish toning, I move on to my brightening serum. I'm currently using this brightening serum from Bay. It contains vitamin C and peptides, which help with brightening up the complexion, evening out the skin tone, and also fighting signs of pigmentation, which is something that I struggle with. So I've been using this, and so far it's been positive, and it's just been leaving my skin looking nice and bright and really just glowing. So I really like that, because sometimes my skin can tend to look very dull looking. So adding this to my skin routine has been the best thing. To finish off my skincare, I'm going in with my SPF from Roche Posay. It's the fluid, Invincible fluid, and I use SPF 50. This really helps as well to keep your skin looking young looking, fighting any sort of aging signs, and it just protects your skin from the sun, which is really important to protect your skin, especially as we get older. It's just something that is a necessity to add to the routine. So I'm just adding that to my face before I head out. And yeah, that was it in terms of my spring morning skincare routine. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I really hope that you found it useful. I'll link all of the products in the description box below. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye dolls. Mwah.